Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can prevent your phone from making accidental calls when it is in your pocket or in a bag on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we scroll down and tap on display. Now we scroll down and in here tap on accidental touch protection. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Once this is turned on, it can protect your phone from accidental touches, which in turn may helps to prevent your phone from making accidental call on the device. Now sometimes if you have your phone unlocked and you put it in your pocket, sometimes it might automatically open up the phone app and make some calls from the recently dialed numbers. So if you turn this on, it can somewhat help to prevent accidental touch. And after that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.